Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making a perfect smoky jollof rice for 10 to 15 guests. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome, sit back and relax to watch everything I've got to show you. So in a clean pot, we added our sunflower oil, some chopped onion. We'll be frying the onion until it becomes translucent. Next, I added my mixed ginger and garlic. I had it in the freezer already. Next, I added my tomato paste. I'll be frying until it becomes just like so. Next, I'll be adding my pepper mix. I'll be frying until everything becomes completely fried. So while that is frying, let's proceed to using an air fryer to fry our plantain. I added some paprika, I added some little oil. The oil will help our spicy to penetrate very well into the plantain and make it become more tastier. So this is me selecting the option and we'll go back to check our tomato. At this point, it's completely fried just the way we want it. Next, we'll be adding our thyme. Next, we added mixed spices. We'll be adding some beni powder. This beni powder is a game changer, trust me. And next, we'll be adding just about a tablespoon of curry powder, some all-purpose seasoning, just a teaspoon of that, some salt to taste. And here we'll have our nutmeg powder, just about a tablespoon of it as well. We added some bouillon. I gave it a quick stir and then I'll be taking some portion out. I'll be needing it much later. At this point, my rice is completely washed using some water, some warm water of course. I washed until the water ran clear. At this point, I'm adding my crayfish. I didn't add my crayfish at the very much beginning while I was prepping our tomato. This is because I want my crayfish taste to be so much evident in this delicious party jollof rice. So when you fry your crayfish, it subdues the taste of the crayfish, trust me. So I've gone back to flip the other side of the plantain because I noticed they were not frying evenly. So I did what is needed and went back to check our rice. At this point, our rice is cooked but not completely cooked. I added all our vegetables and now I'm going in with that tomato I scooped much earlier. I just added a little water and gave it a quick stir. So next I'll be using our foil paper to trap in the remaining moisture. I wouldn't want to be adding excess water to this delicious rice. So if you have been adding water, stop adding too much water to your jollof rice. Rather, use a foil paper or a nylon paper to trap in the remaining moisture so that it will steam very well. This is the second batch of our frying. We'll do what is needed until we are completely done with the frying. Please, if you have not hit the subscription button, please do so. That is the support I can get from you. Support me by hitting that bell so that you get notified whenever I post videos. And this is me testing that delicious smoky jollof rice I just made. Trust me, it was so yummy. Trust me. If Thank you and see you again in my next